The most common question I get from golfers who are about to undergo a knee replacement surgery or have either just had a knee replacement surgery is, when can I start playing golf again, and what do I need to do to make sure that I'm not aggravating or making it worse? So I'll answer this in two, maybe three parts, and it's going to be different for everyone, so make sure you bear in mind this is general advice, but hopefully you find it useful. And in the meantime, I'll just play some clips, just a beautiful little drive right there, just to kind of keep you entertained while I'm speaking. The first point is, listen to your surgeon. They have a great team and they've been dealing with this sort of thing for many years, and they know exactly how the surgery went. So if they feel like you'll benefit from something in particular, make sure that they tell you. Don't just walk out not asking any questions. So yeah, make sure you get advice from the surgeon. Second thing is to start the rehab from day one, even if it's just as simple as pain reduction and reducing the amount of swelling. That's critical, because the quicker you can get rid of the swelling, the quicker you can get the joint moving properly and getting strength back through the leg. And you know, it's important that you do the rehab post returning to play as well. So even if it's like 12 months later, you still want to be doing the rehab, because it's quite a major surgery and you want to make sure you're not putting yourself at risk for further injuries. Ultimately, most people will be playing golf at around the 6-month mark. You can return slightly earlier, providing your rehab and your recovery has gone well, but you'd be best off speaking to either the surgeon or the osteo and physio that you're working with, because they'll be able to see firsthand what strength and mobility you have in the leg. But the little bonus tip I have for you for watching this far, or for listening this far, is don't just take advice from YouTube and try and go at it alone. There are some cases where you can just go off YouTube and watch a few videos and read some blogs, and that's fine. But when it's a major surgery like this, if you get the rehab wrong, then it has some serious implications for the recovery and your ability to play golf in the long term. So make sure you get it right. Make sure you follow the advice. The expected recovery time is anywhere from 3 to 6 months to be playing, reasonably comfortably again. But the rehab process, to be honest, takes about 2 or 3 years. So keep that in mind when you're, doing the rehab or doing the prehab prior to surgery. Of course, we're always open to any comments and questions, so make sure you send those through to the clinic, and we'll be happy to help where possible. Otherwise, stay tuned for more content. We're going to be putting heaps out as much as we can anyway, and make sure you give us some feedback if you want us to cover any particular areas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.